Hello friends, in the previous video I had talked about osmosis. Now today I am going to talk about the type of solutions. Okay, now the type of solutions, there are two kinds of solutions. One is called hypertonic solution and the other is hypotonic solution. Now what is hypertonic solution? Coming to this, we all know solutions are something which is made up of solute dissolved in a solvent. So this is applicable for both hypotonic as well as hypertonic solution. So what is the main difference between a hypotonic and a hypertonic solution? That is the relative concentration of the solute or relative concentration of the solvent. Now, to further explain it, say in hypertonic solution, solute is more compared to a hypotonic solution where solute is less. I am comparing these two solutions. While solvent in hypertonic solution is less and solvent amount in hypotonic solution is more. So, solvent is generally water. So, in which solution water concentration is high? Definitely in hypotonic solution, because solute is less, solvent, that is water, is more. So, it has a much higher concentration of water, while hypertonic has much a lower concentration of water. Now, in the previous video in osmosis, I have tried to explain you that water travels from a region where it is more in concentration to a region where it is less in concentration. So, taking in consideration to that fact, we can easily say that water tends to move from hypotonic solution to hypertonic solution. Okay, so this was the hypertonic and the hypotonic solution. Now coming to a definition of tonicity. So what do you understand by the word tonicity? Tonicity is the relative concentration of water molecules with reference to the two different solutions which we are considering. Coming to an example, say I have two sugar solutions, both are sugar solution, but one sugar solution has just 20% sugar and the other has 50% sugar. So which has more solute? Definitely this one. So this is more hypertonic while this is hypotonic. Okay. Now coming to this, suppose I take a chamber and I separate it by a semipermeable membrane. In the first chamber, this chamber I put this 20% sugar solution, and in this chamber I put 50% sugar solution. So where is the potential of water more? Definitely in this chamber, because it is 20% sugar and the rest is 80% is water, while over here 50% is sugar and the rest 50% is water. So over here the water potential is more, over here the water potential is less. So what will happen? Osmosis will happen where water will travel from this chamber to this chamber through this semipermeable membrane. Always remember, osmosis takes place across semipermeable membrane. You require a semipermeable membrane for the process of osmosis. Okay, now coming to an example, another example which I can give you. Suppose I take a solution, a beaker. Okay, I take pure water inside, pure water, and I take a raisin. This is what? Raisin. So raisin is actually a plant cell which has a cell wall and a cell membrane. Say this is the cell membrane. Now cell membrane is what? It is a semipermeable membrane, SPM. So osmosis will take place across the semipermeable membrane. So let's see. Now a raisin, it is a dried form. Okay, a dried form of a fruit. So inside the raisin, the water concentration is very low, compared to the water concentration outside the beaker, which is very high. See, I am giving an up arrow and a down arrow to show that the concentration is low and high. So what will happen? Definitely osmosis will happen, and water will travel from the beaker into the resin. So water is entering into the resin. So this kind of osmosis, where water is entering into any cell, that osmosis is called endosmosis. Endo means it is entering, so endosmosis. So what is exosmosis? Let's see. Say I take a sugar solution, very concentrated sugar solution, say 80% sugar solution, okay, and inside I put a grape, not a raisin this time, a grape. Now what is the difference between a grape and a raisin? The raisin is a dried form of grape. So raisin has less water content inside than grape. So automatically the water content inside the grape will be very high, and the water content outside the grape, that is in the solution, will be very low. So water potential is high inside the grape, water potential is low outside the grape. So what will happen? Osmosis will happen, but now water will move out from the grape into the solution. So this is a kind of osmosis, but it is called exosmosis. EXO. X means something which is moving out. End means something which is entering into the cell. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and put likes and do share it. I will come with more such videos, and thank you all.